What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. Always a pleasure to be kicking down notch all you beautiful souls around the globe. We're back for another reaction request. This time it is from Just Do It. Why? For the Kel of it. Kel the Dude. It's a request from Kel the Dude, guys. And he wants to hear Puddles Pity Party. The name of the song is Crazy Train and Stairway to Gilligans Island. So this sounds interesting. Don't know what to expect, but I'm looking forward to it. So without further ado, from me, for Just Do It. Why? For the Kel of it and all of you, let's get off tap.
Crazy, that's how it goes. Millions of people living as foes. Maybe it's not too late to learn how to love, forget how to hate. Mental wounds not healing, life's a bitter shame. I'm going off the rails on a crazy train. I've listened to preachers, I've listened to fools, I've watched all the dropouts who make their own rules.
Wow, man, some of the lyrics are just so deep, man, and things that I say all the time about spreading love, not hate, and people can't seem to freaking just let go of crap, and they hold on to the negative crap, and they freaking just allow that stuff to fluster and just to keep on keeping, you know, all that freaking yuckiness around. Why would you want to keep it around anyways? You know, like freaking hell, it's so much better to just have a uncluttered with negative energy environment. You know, on the best of days, man, you know, I would tell you right now, it's because you freaking just decided to let go of all the BS and freaking just let love lead the way, all that, man. But look, this song, you know, this guy's vocals, incredible. I like just the simplicity with the guitar playing, only one instrument, not having 28,000 instruments, and just his voice together. They're working very well. I'm enjoying this so far. Let's continue.
One person conditioned to rule and control. The media sells it, and you live the role. Mental wounds still screaming, driving me insane. I'm going off the rails on a crazy train. You think there's something wrong with me. You gotta listen to my words. Heirs of the Cold War, that's what we become. Inheriting trouble, I'm mentally numb. Crazy, I just cannot bear. I'm living with something that 'cause is it fair? Mental wounds stop healing. Who and what's to blame? I'm going off the rails on a crazy train. I'm going off the rails on a crazy train. Sending out an SOS. Sending out an SOS. Sending out an SOS. Sending out an SOS. Just sit right back and you'd hear a tale of a fateful trip that started from this tropic port aboard this tiny ship. The mate was a mighty sailing lad, the skipper brave and sure. 5 passengers set sail that day for a 3-hour tour.
Okay. I get this one. Stairway to Gilligans Island. Right. Okay, so I see what's going on here. So I think he's taking some songs and kind of taking them and remaking them into another song from their original song. So Gilligan's Island was a TV show back in, like, I don't know, the 60s or something like that. And then that theme from it, which is a very popular theme if you've watched any old Nick at Night or just in general freaking any shows, you probably heard this theme somewhere. And then he's mixed it in with Stairway to Heaven. It works too. It sounds great. I love it. I see what he's doing. So is that what he did with the first song too? Because I did notice he said SOS. That song, that send me an SOS or something. I'm pretty sure that's a Sting song, or the Police or something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I could be wrong. But yeah, okay, so he's just taking stuff and kind of remaking them and repackaging them into a different package from a different package. I like what he's doing, man. I'm enjoying it. Let's keep going.
A 3-hour tour. Oh, it makes me wonder. The ship set ground on the shore of this uncharted desert isle, with Gilligan, the skipper too, the millionaire and his wife, the movie star, the professor and Marianne, here on Gilligan's Isle. island.
This is really cool, and I what genre does this really fall in? Because it's not like it's not a parody, really. He's not really doing a parody as such. It's more of he's just like remixing some of his favorite songs with different music, coming up with something special and different. I like it. I gotta say I like it, man. It's a vibe. It's definitely a vibe. I like to do remixes and stuff when I'm making music all the time and come up with something different. And sometimes I'll sing lyrics to another song over a different beat, like he's doing something very similar. So this is pretty dope, man. I didn't know how to take this video when I first seen him in the white costume outfit. When I first kind of glanced to it, I was like, what's going on here? And I thought it was going to be something comical. I thought it was going to be something like just super funny kind of, joking thing, you know what I mean? Especially with the title, when I saw like a Stairway to Gilligans Island, and I was like, okay, this is going to be something freaking comical after seeing how he was dressed. But it wasn't really comical at all, man. I didn't find it to be comical. In fact, I found it to be brilliant. I mean, his execution of the songs, the way he delivered it, the way that he freaking just orchestrated everything, worked perfectly. His talent is really good. He's got a great vocal ability, man. I love his vocals. I love his tonality in his vocals. I just actually really respect what this guy presented, and the way that he did it was really just spot on, man. So kudos to him. This is a fantastic request. I really enjoyed it. So thank you, Kel, of it. Thank all of you guys for tuning in. If you want to do your own reaction requests, head over to offtap.life. I appreciate all of you guys as always. Remember to move to the fullest. Keep it off tap. I'm out.
We gotta get out of here! I'll catch you guys later for another vlog!